Great Yo Company Limited was founded in 1988. The founder, Junshan Si, and his wife named the company Great Yo. We have been manufactured kids' sunglasses, professional and specialized sports glasses, fashion sunglasses, and safety glasses more than 25 years. Great Yo is one of the fastest growing companies, offering strict quality control to its process of manufacturing and has achieved global recognition over the past few years. In the first 20 years, Great Yo is offering OEM, original equipment manufacturing services. In 2007, we transformed OEM to ODM, original design manufacturing. We are zealous to upgrade our competitiveness. In 1991, Great Yo Company Limited passed the certification of Disney Standard, and we have been passing the audit of social responsibility, CTPAT, and safety and environment through SGS, BV, ITS, SEDEX, BSCI, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001. And also, the quality control system of sunglasses producing process was established. By assurance based on customer-oriented, Great Yo specialized R&D and QC, QA production team, an accurate customer service system. Our contemporary and affordable products can be found in more than 30 brands around the world.